Here, investor Gary Black speaks with Kevin about Tesla's performance and the factors that attract consumers to the brand. He also explains how Tesla has reduced range anxiety by expanding the number of charging stations and lengthening the charging time. Black also thinks that future projects like the Highland project and the Cybertruck are real and will keep pushing the limits of what is feasible for electric vehicles. Despite the recent decline in stock prices, Black is still bullish about Tesla's future and thinks the Cybertruck will be a significant catalyst for the business. Gary stated at the beginning of the interview that Elon Musk is still driving the business towards success, as Gary Black had mentioned in an interview with me. Kevin, one of the most common inquiries is why there is such a high demand for Tesla vehicles. There are a number of explanations for this, such as early adopters who place a high value on environmental responsibility, those who want to make a statement, and those who prefer self-driving vehicles. A number of things contribute to the desire for Tesla automobiles, such as the brand's sustainability and environmental friendliness, its cutting-edge technology and design, and the prestige that comes with owning one. Tesla has established a brand that appeals to a broad spectrum of customers, including tech-savvy automotive enthusiasts, doctors who are concerned about the environment, and people who just want to make a statement with their car. Additionally, customers who are enthusiastic about the idea of having a completely autonomous vehicle have expressed a great deal of interest in the company due to its concentration on self-driving technology. All of these elements have, in short, contributed to the strong demand for Tesla automobiles and the company's notable success in the automotive sector. Nevertheless, some prospective customers are cautious because they have reservations about the price and range of electric vehicles. Although Tesla's initial cost may be more, ongoing expenses are reduced, and the vehicle has other benefits like minimal maintenance costs and no need to purchase petrol or oil. Furthermore, Tesla has improved both its range and charging times, making it a more sensible choice for road trips. One of the main reasons people are hesitant to switch to electric cars is range anxiety, which is the fear that they will run out of battery power while on long drive. However, over time, this fear has decreased. There are more and more charging stations available. Financing a Tesla may seem expensive, but when compared to other similar vehicles, it's a superior car in almost every way. There's also a tax credit available for those who purchase an electric vehicle, which can lower the cost. While petrol stations are widely available, Tesla is one firm that has been setting the standard in this area with their network of superchargers. Although superchargers are currently uncommon, Tesla is attempting to change that. You may have heard some rumors about Tesla, such as the Highland project and the forthcoming Cybertruck, but investor Gary Black believes these are not hoaxes. Although Gary occasionally comes across as a complainer, he still owns a sizable portion of Tesla stock. It's his second largest investment after Google and has also made investments in the company in the likes of Chipotle and Salesforce. However, what about Tesla's recent stock price decline? Gary is still comfortable owning 5 to 6% stake in the company, and he may even consider buying more if the price drops even further. He believes that the trading range for Tesla will likely be between 150 and 200 regarding Elon Musk's remarks. It's difficult to determine high intentions without more context, but it's possible that he was trying to make a point about the importance of innovation and staying ahead of the curve in a rapidly evolving industry. In the end, it's important to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions. It's important to note that predicting the future performance of a company and its margins is inherently uncertain and subject to various factors. While it's reasonable to consider the possibility strategy entails evaluating, among other things, the company's financial health, market position, industry trends. What is the current status of Tesla? Well, the Model I is selling well in the US and deliveries to China are booming. They delivered 12 cars in Q4, representing a growth rate of about 57 to 60. However, there are some worries regarding Europe where inventory levels are high, although Norway is doing well, and there might not be as much demand in larger nations like Germany. Nevertheless, all in all, things are looking up for Tesla as they continue to innovate and push the limits of what is possible in the world of electric cars. In order to fairly compare inventory, we need to look beyond this quarter's peak and compare it to the end of the first month of a previous quarter. By doing this, we can better understand whether the current inventory number is good or not. And when we compare it to previous quarters, we are higher right now, though not by a crazy amount to make it easier to compare the numbers. Spikes in inventory are quite normal, especially when a large shipment of cars arrives, like from China. Since Tesla generally does not display duplicate configurations, we can look at the chart that stacks the models together and compare the numbers. Based on this, we hold Tesla to the 5.5 position, with the Cybertruck being a significant catalyst in my opinion. I have a Cybertruck tri-motor on order and cannot wait to drive around Chicago Valet in front of Nobo and watch as people take pictures of it, because it's going to be different and spectacular. The Cybertruck will be a walking billboard drawing people to the Tesla website in store, even if they don't end up buying a Cybertruck. It's like an ad, just like the Apple Model White. It's unique and different, and I believe it's the best truck in the world. I've always been an SEO person, and as I've gotten older, I've come to appreciate having more room, to be honest. My biggest worry is whether or not it'll fit in the garage across the street from where I live. The Cybertruck is a huge catalyst for the entire Tesla franchise, not just because of the 1,000,003 orders, but because it will draw people to the website in store. Even if only 100 deliveries of the Cybertruck happen next year, it'll be amazing. And similar things apply to the semi-truck as its current state. Feels similar to when Tesla was on the cusp of producing 50 Model 3s per week. The next few months will be very talented. Let me break down some exciting news about Tesla. First, let's talk about the Cybertruck. Well, some people are optimistic that Tesla's fully autonomous technology will be available soon. I think it may take a few years before it's ready. Currently, there has been talk with Tesla possibly lowering the price of the Model 3 to $25,000, which would be amazing, but I think it would be more realistic for Tesla to concentrate on a new, more affordable model. Let's call it the Model 2. By adding a more cost-effective option to its lineup, the company hopes to grow its customer base by at least 40 to 50%. It would also be fantastic to see them construct a factory specifically for the Model 2, as China is currently the world's most competitive market. Speaking of China, Tesla has already announced plans to build 1 million small models in Shanghai. While I would be all for this if Tesla stock made up just 5 to 10% of my portfolio, I believe they should continue growing internationally while still keeping a significant presence in China. Thank you for watching this video about Tesla and its prospects as discussed. While there may be some obstacles to overcome, Tesla is continuing to push the boundaries of what is possible in the world of electric cars. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again very soon. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Tesla is leading the way in the electric vehicle industry, and despite some concerns and fluctuations in stock prices, its future looks promising. The Cybertruck and other upcoming projects are expected to be a significant catalyst for the company.